Hi guys, welcome to another video. This time I am at, the more seasoned people like you would have figured out where I am right now. Yes, I am in Pahalo, and Pahalo, like all of you know, is famous for Rasgulla. And what brings me here today is this gentleman here. He's my friend from Ladakh and he's a filmmaker. Basically what I've done is I've pulled him out of his schedule and I've just got him here to experience hot and piping Pahalo Rasgulla. Please go ahead and introduce yourself.
My name is Manla. You can find me on YouTube as Safarnama with Manla. And I'm from Ladakh. I make films. Yeah, that's it.
So guys, just to share with you, so I met this gentleman here, epic filmmaker again, while I was scouting for videos on Ladakh, and he happens to be from Ladakh, and I bumped into one of his videos and I discovered him, and he had so much experience backing him in terms of
let them check my videos and judge themselves. Okay, I have a question for you.
Yeah.
So these rasgullas, no?
Huh?
What is this big deal about? Where does this belong to? Like Bengalis say that it's ours. You're saying, this whole social media.
I know that would invariably come up in these kind of discussions. Ki ye hai kahan, because of the past controversies around it.
Yeah.
Well, Rasgulla originates as Kheer Mohan, which was served to Lord Lakshmi at Jagannath temple. The story behind that is when Lord Jagannath goes on Rath Yatra, and for the time that he's away from his wife, Lord Lakshmi.
Oh, Lakshmi is Jagannath's wife.
Yeah.
Lakshmi, the god of wealth.
Yep.
Oh, okay.
So she is upset with the fact that he goes away without his consent for 9 days, and when he comes back, she actually locks one of the dwars and restricts his entry into the temple. So to please goddess Lakshmi, Lord Jagannath basically offers Rasgulla to her.
Okay.
Which was known as Kheer Mohan then.
Kheer Mohan.
Yeah.
Mohan, isn't Mohan Krishna? Something to do with Krishna. Anyway, yeah.
So that's basically the story behind it. And this village of Pahalo is known for its Rasgulla for a very, very long time at least. I've been seeing this for my whole life, and
so you're basically just declaring that it is Odia, so Bengalis keep shut. Yeah?
No, I wouldn't like to we'll leave that controversy.
So do you believe that they made it famous?
Did you know that the Bay of Bengal was called Kalinga Mahasagar before?
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah. We had a lot of things to our names, but let's leave that for a different topic altogether.
Okay, Bengalis hate comments.
No, please don't hate. I am not. Yours is Bangla Rasgulla, so take it. Ours is ours. So, anyways, that's too much of a controversy. I don't want to dwell into that.
Let's try some. I want to try.
Let's go ahead and try some and see how it's made.
पहला काम जैसे छेना आएगा इसको तोल करना है, फिर बाद में इसको हमारा जितना चाहिए वही हिसाब से पकाना है। पहले छेना को जोर से निचोड़ना है, पानी रहेगा तो अच्छा नहीं होगा रसगुल्ला।
So for all those of you who are not familiar with how this is made, well, it is made in these massive kadais. Like massive is an understatement here. And chena, which is cottage cheese, is kneaded into dough and mixed with a few secret spices, and that is then made into small balls, and that is then put into this piping hot liquid.
rasgulla hot. More hot
Thank you,
rasgulla.
thank you. It's hot. Oh.
So Smalna is going to have rasgulla from Pahalo for the first time.
नहीं मुझे लगता है थोड़ा टाइम लगाना चाहिए. गर्म होगा बहुत ना.
हाँ बहुत गर्म होगा.
तो फिर थोड़ा
इसको तोड़ के फूंक के खाओ.
ओहो डायबिटीज नहीं होगा मुझे. वेरी टेस्टी. इतना सॉफ्ट कैसे है यार?
वही तो फेमस है.
ऐसा लग रहा है कॉटन से बनाया है आपने.
वही तो फेमस है पहाड़ रसगुल्ला.
कि वो सॉफ्ट है.
वही सॉफ्टनेस के लिए तो फेमस है.
It's very sweet and very soft. I've never had a rasgulla or a kind of it which is so soft. I don't believe that it is made out of milk. It feels like it's made out of cotton or something. Here, one common thing between this thing and me is that it's hot and soft.
अब बताओ लद्दाख में ऐसे कुछ स्वीट मिलता है या कुछ आपका फेमस स्वीट है?
लद्दाख के जितने भी जितना भी खाना है, लद्दाख का कुजीन जो है वो बहुत ही वो होता है, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, कोई एक्सट्रीम टेस्ट नहीं होता है. जैसे कम नमक, कम मीठा, सब कुछ कम होगा. बट वहाँ पे जो फ्रूट मिलता है वो कहीं नहीं मिलता है, वो है एप्रिकॉट. मतलब एप्रिकॉट दुनिया में बहुत जगह मिलता है, पर लद्दाख के एप्रिकॉट को स्वीटेस्ट एप्रिकॉट बोलते हैं. स्वीटेस्ट. इट्स लाइक नॉर्मल एप्रिकॉट से 25% ज़्यादा स्वीट है. दैट्स द स्वीटेस्ट थिंग दैट यू फाइंड देयर. एंड there's another thing that is more sweet than that is the people. And yeah.
You know what's more sweeter than rasgulla?
What?
Bhai, ये छेना पोड़ो देवे. Now this is the छेना पोड़ो. छेना means the cottage cheese and podo stands for burnt. So ये अभी आप खा के बताओ.
मतलब ये जला हुआ मीठा पनीर है.
Yes,
Kind of.
pretty close.
I'm high on sweet right now. अगर मैं गिर जाऊँ तो मुझे घर पहुँचा देना.
बिल्कुल, no problem. Ladakh. How's it?
But this is more balanced than that. That is just sweet.
Okay.
But this has texture. I like it. The texture is better than this. That one is so soft that it just goes down. This one is very. It has good texture. It has a little bit rough surface on the outside, and then soft inside. And the sweetness is okay. Or maybe because I had the most sweetest thing in the world, now maybe I won't find anything more sweet. But yeah, that's how it is, and it's really tasty.
Yeah.
And I'm sorry you have to order another plate because I'm going to finish this.
So it's basically the same ingredient made from cottage cheese, but it's a whole different taste and texture.
Yeah.
Pretty epic,
Definitely.
isn't it?
So you keep speaking about it, we'll finish it, okay?
If you notice, this one also has some flavor of the turmeric leaf it is wrapped in.
Yeah, it's not the
flavor-
turmeric. It is not turmeric.
Then?
So this is called the khali patra. It's wrapped in that, and when it's burnt, it kind of absorbs the taste of it.
Yeah.
So
nice.
And
So-
you won't find the same flavor any other, in every other place you eat chena podo from.
It'll be different.
That is something its specialty. मैंने ये पहल में ही देखा है.
Acha.
And that also you will, I remember coming with my friend, will search, hop on to different sweet shops and look for this right flavor
correct.
Acha.
Correct.
and the right burntness. जितना roast और burnt flavor आता है ना, उतना मजा आता है.
I'm not a foodie in general, but after this I might.
Yeah.
So the story doesn't end here. We're going to stuff him one more time, and this time let's do chena goja. Right? Chena goja diyo.
अभी भाई मैं गिर जाऊंगा. I'm already a very sweet person, and now after putting so much sweet.
Overdose. No, it's like tomorrow papers headlines, huh? A man from Ladakh died being OD'd from sweets, huh?
I might actually fall down. I'm already full with sweet, and I don't know. Let me try this. What is this called?
This is called chena goja.
Chena goja.
Chena gojak. Acha, gajak.
No K, goja.
Goja. Okay. Anyway, whatever it is. Oh, this is very different. It is sweet. Yeah, this. So rank wise, I like this the most
Yeah.
because I am not a sweet loving person.
The first time I had chena podo, the man introduced me, the local person introduced me. This is the national sweet of Odisha.
National sweet
Sweet
of
of
Odisha.
Odisha.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
So now you know. Okay.
So my ranking is, for me, because I am not a very sweet loving person, this is first, this is second, and Rasgulla third, because I like the texture in these. Yeah. Rasgulla just goes down, man. It just gives you a sweet and then goes down. Huh? Yeah.
So that was our little expedition to Pahalo here, the village of Rasgulla. I hope you guys liked the video. This is my friend Smanla. I'll leave his channel link below.
Hey, I have one thing to say to your viewers.
Yep.
So, one best thing about social media is that this guy, he commented on my video and he said, hey, and then we became friends. And this is for the first time I'm meeting him.
True.
And so Odisha has good sweets and sweet people. I'm really thankful to this guy for showing me around Odisha. So thank you very much. Subscribe to his channel and just blow up his channel.
मेरे को तो भूल ही गया, रहा तो मेरे घर में रहे.
ये
Anyways, guys, if you liked the video, thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you had a great time. And if the video looks good, it's because of him. And well, I will see you in another video. Until then, don't forget to live life with a dash of adventure. Bye bye.